Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by picking the right blank tag, N-tag 213 for simple links, N-tag 216 for larger payloads. Once chosen, make sure your writer supports the chip family. Android phones usually do, but desktop USB readers offer more control. Install an NFC writing app like NFC Tools and prepare a clean workspace with anti-static protection. Now, power up the writer and check tag specs, capacity, read-only options, and UID permanence. You want to avoid buying incompatible tags. That wastes time and money. You format the blank tag to NDEF first because that standard ensures broad compatibility. Then choose the record type, URL for redirects, vCard for contacts, or MIME for app data. This choice affects how devices interpret the tag. If your content exceeds the chip capacity, split it into multiple records, otherwise the write will fail. Once written, immediately read the tag back with the same app to verify the payload and encoding. If the read matches, proceed. If not, repeat formatting before retrying. You now perform final verification by scanning the tag with several devices to ensure cross-device behavior. Once satisfied, decide whether to lock the tag or apply password protection. Remember, setting read-only is usually irreversible, while password locks can be changed if you retain credentials. Then physically protect the tag with clear epoxy or lamination to prevent wear, but make sure the enclosure doesn't block NFC signals. Troubleshooting tip: if a tag won't read,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.